In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player Baldur's Gate 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general instructions on how to play online co-op for Baldur's Gate 3 and also how to do split screen. Keep in mind that I'm going to be focusing primarily on split screen. However, I'm still going to talk about setting up an online co-op session. So to get it out of the way quick, if you want to do online co-op, all that you have to do is choose the multiplayer option from the home screen. Multiplayer is where you can invite other players and start a new campaign from scratch in a specific session or lobby. All of you will have your own characters assigned and you can always save and resume it later. However, like I said, the primary focus of this video is going to be split screen. And if you want to do split screen, you can either do it on a new campaign that you create now or a pre-existing one. First, if you want to start a new game on split screen, just go into the new game option. Do not choose multiplayer. When you go over to new game, you will be able to create your character. During the character creation process, all that you have to do is connect a secondary controller to your PC or console and either press start or A or X. Regardless, just try a combination of these buttons. So try pressing start. If it doesn't work, press A, and if it doesn't work, try X. Now, once you go over these buttons, regardless or depending on your controller, you will be able to connect into split screen mode immediately. So the character creation screen will be split in half, and now each player has their own camera view. You will be able to create your character to your own personal preferences and start the campaign. If you have a pre-existing campaign, the process can also be done. All that you have to do is join the campaign beforehand, and inside of the world, just press start or A or X on the secondary controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player Baldur's Gate 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.